Hey y'all, that guess what? Thank you for returning back to Kick It with Mama Carmen. So I just posted a video of me talking to my sister. We're talking about the Santa Ana winds. So listen, just happened to throw that video out there because these winds they scare me, you guys. They scare me because they just do. Because they without clouds. So these winds have picked up so bad that they are pushing our home windows, right? And what I'm telling to you guys and what I'm conveying to you guys, be safe in driving, be safe getting home and returning to your families. So I'm gonna step outside. I want you guys to hear these winds, y'all. I want y'all to hear how man these winds is picking it up. And Mama Carmen, she wants all y'all to return home safely and get home to your families. Get off them streets. Get off them streets, y'all. Get off them streets, cause them streets, y'all need to be on them streets. So we just gonna step out here, cause I know you get to heard it from the kitchen, but listen, I can't even open up my door. Listen to that. If we was in a scary movie, that mug would be scary out there. Oh my God. If we was in a scary movie, who would be the first one to run? Who? You can use those sound effects and run. You know what I'm saying? Listen, I'm going to tell y'all something. My imagination just took off with me and ran. It is pitch black outside. If we was in a scary movie, that sound effect right there, y'all know y'all could use that sound effect. That sound effect right there will make you run. It is pitch black outside. Woo, woo. Let me hold on. Let's plug up this. Listen, Mama Carmen scared herself. That is how black it is outside, y'all. Thank you for watching Kick It with Mama Carmen.